walking into my favorite store. And I gotta tell you, one of the best parts of having a honey hole is knowing that your houses, your projects, your fix and flipping, it's close to one of these guys. Because trust me, you're gonna forget something, you're gonna run back and forth, you're gonna put an order in, stop by every morning on your way to the job site, stop by half the afternoons, and then take it so that it's at the job site in the morning when the guys are gonna get there. It's super important. It is totally vital that you have a honey hole, and I wanna help you get one close to one of these guys. Okay, so join our free 5-day challenge so that you can get a honey hole and find out where's the best place to get one, and find out how you can save 2%, get 2% cash back every time you shop at this guy, and so you can get contractor pricing on cabinets and paint and all sorts of stuff. Maybe even get free delivery to the job site so that you don't have to come pick it up over here. Wouldn't that be cool? All right, join us for the free 5-day challenge on how to find a honey hole.